When doing the knit stitch, you place your right hand needle into the stitch as so, with it going towards the back. But when you're doing the purl, you do it the opposite way and the needle goes into the front of the stitch and stays at the front of your left hand needle. For the purl stitch, your yarn also needs to be at the front of your work. Wind it around anti-clockwise, pull the yarn through towards the back. As you can see, the stitches from the previous row are brought to the front of your work. This is opposite to the knit stitch. All the knobbly bits will be at the front, and the back of the purl stitch will be smooth. I will just continue and finish this row. To count the number of rows with your tail end of yarn on the left, count the raised and non-raised sections in turn. Here I have done 10 rows. To cast off purlwise, purl 2 stitches, make sure the stitches are loose. Insert your needle into the first stitch and move it over the second stitch and off the end of the needle. Repeat this process until the end of the row. At the end of the row you will have one remaining stitch. Cut the yarn and place the tail end through this stitch to finish. As you can see here, purling every row produces the same stitch pattern as knitting every row. The top swatch is knitting every row and the bottom stitch is purling every row.